Depending on how these perform, I might get new ones that are not piece of shit eBay ones. I might just get less pieces of shit eBay ones.
What's up guys, it's Andrew here again. Different video, same day as the spark plug video, but doing stuff with the interior today. Figured make a separate video for you guys. Today we'll be modifying and upgrading our interior lights to LEDs. You can see back here that dome light is it's just the stock halogen bulbs. The color's kind of gross and yellow, and I figured an LED upgrade would kind of modernize the car a little bit, and I don't know, just kind of looks better. So we'll get into it. This kit that I got from Exotic Tech off of eBay comes with, I believe, 6 bulbs. It covers these 2 front dome lights, that one, and I believe one more in the trunk. So it should be super easy, like actually this time, not like the under tray.
Oh my god.
So I'll show you guys how to do it step by step. So we'll start off with these the front dome lights. All you need, get a plastic tool or a flathead, but with the flathead you can risk damaging that plastic, so this is what we're using. You want to slide into here, get above it, or above the plastic piece, and all you have to do is just kind of do that. Just push down, that should pop right out. See, there's the stock bulb. Let's see if it's hot. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Okay, so make sure when you do this, make sure you turn the light off, let it sit for a couple minutes. That's what I'm gonna do here. Leave that, turn that off, make sure it's ready. Ignore my destroyed headliner. These should have cooled off by now, and I think you remove the stock bulb by pushing on this tab right here, and that should release your bulb. And like that, you should be able to pull that out. I ended up being able to get the LED in. All you have to do is just kind of squeeze it in and then pull this tab back, make sure they fit. If it doesn't turn on, just flip them around. I think sometimes these LEDs are polar, so that should help. These new bulbs are a little bit bigger, and it's kind of stretching this flange right here. So if you can, I recommend going with a little bit more expensive LEDs. These are definitely really cheap, but they work, so we'll stick with it. Let's get to this other light right here. Same thing, we'll get our little plastic tool here, slide it in here, just pop out the plastic like that. Pull on this tab and pull out our old stock bulb. Oh, come on. Oh, there it goes. Oh, shit. God damn it. Dropped into the abyss. Let's get another bulb. Start with the back. Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down. I apologize if the view is horrible. It's really hard to do this by myself. But anyways, I'll just slide this back in, pull on the tab, make sure the connections are in the hole, and come on. Oh, these bulbs are kind of way too big, but they work. That should be fine right there. Test it out. There you go. I wonder why it's flickering like that. Oh, there we go. Sweet. And to wrap up the front, we'll get these plastic bits back in. You see that at the end there are these tabs. You want to get the tab in first, and then these just clip in, and that is all. There you go. Boom, boom, easy. Looks so much better than before. I wonder why it flickers like that though. It's so weird. Oh well, it is what it is. It is what it is. That's what I get for cheap bulbs. For the rear dome light, you'll see here, there's actually a slot for the flathead, so that's what we'll use. Slide it up in there and pry down. Easy. Here, same deal. Push up on this tab and the bulb should fall out or come out relatively easily. I'm gonna put you guys down again. This is difficult, lemon difficult. My headliner looks like shit. I need to get that replaced ASAP. Things you overlook when buying a used car. There you go. Old bulb is out. Let's get the new one. Direct swap. Oh wow, okay. Oh, what the hell? Why is it so tight? Let's make it work. Depending on how these perform, I might get new ones that are not piece of shit eBay ones. I might just get less pieces of shit eBay ones. Oh, this does not want to go in. Please, come on. Nope. All right, I'll be back. So I wrestled with this thing for about 5 minutes. Finally got it in. Doesn't look great, but it works. So that's good news. We'll just pop this cover back in and be all done. Sweet, look at that. Ow, smashed my head. All LED interior lights now. Should look a lot better. Let's move on to the trunk. So in the trunk now, I'm not sure, I hope this bulb fits, but let's see. Just unplug this first. Sorry. Okay, fuck it. I'm not unplugging it. Changed my mind like I always do. Went ahead and unplugged this light. This housing is held in with 2 little clips. So what I did was I got these hooked pliers, stick them, let me give you guys some light. Got these little pliers, stuck them inside this tab, and all you have to do is pull and it pops right out. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, so it looks like the same thing. See how long it takes to wrestle a new bulb in there.
1 wiener later.
Well, this just happened, so let this be a lesson to spend a little extra and don't cheap out on things, because I will probably be buying a new set of interior LEDs that aren't cheap pieces of shit to replace these, but unfortunately the trunk light will have to stay with the stock halogen bulb. On that tragic ending that will be today's video, I'll probably be making a separate or another video redoing this whole thing once I get better LEDs. These are better. I mean, they're not the brightest, but the color does look a lot better. I'm excited to see them at night. Whoa, there we go. Anyways, kind of a fail video, but thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys learned something. If not, actually, if you guys know of a quality LED set for the interior of an Evo 10, link it down in the comments or send us a DM with it. I'd love to know, because these are 20 bucks. They're okay, but yeah. Anyways, be safe out there, wash your hands, stay at home, cover your mouth, wear a mask, all that good shit. Catch you guys on the next one.